Our galaxy is hunting right now. Gravitational forces strip gas from the Magellanic clouds, leaving trails of evidence across the sky. By analyzing chemical fingerprints in 1 billion stars, we uncover a history of consumption. The Sagittarius Dwarf is currently being eaten. Soon, the Milky Way itself will be consumed in a massive merger with Andromeda. This is not evolution, it is survival of the largest. Welcome to the violent history of galactic cannibalism. We begin the autopsy. To prove this predation, we need eyes capable of seeing motion across eons. The ESA Gaia mission provides exactly that, mapping over 1 billion stars with unprecedented precision. These are not static points of light, they are moving targets. Previous telescopes saw static positions. Gaia sees velocity vectors. Gaia reveals stellar streams, long trails of stars pulled from smaller galaxies. Like footprints in mud, these motion trails show us where intruders walked before they were absorbed into the galactic disk. This data transforms the night sky from a picture into a crime scene video. Motion tells us where stars came from, but chemistry tells us what they are. Native Milky Way stars share a specific chemical abundance pattern, a genetic code born from our own gas clouds. Accreted stars, however, carry different signatures. They are richer in certain elements distinct from the local population. Iron levels and alpha elements serve as the primary identifiers. By tagging these chemical fingerprints, astronomers separate the natives from the invaders. This forensic astronomy confirms that a significant portion of our halo is not homegrown, it is stolen property. Every unique element ratio is a birth certificate from a devoured world. The largest scar on our history is the Gaia-Enceladus merger. Roughly 10 billion years ago, a massive dwarf galaxy collided with the infant Milky Way. It did not bounce off, it was shattered. Its stars now populate our halo, moving in retrograde orbits that betray their foreign origin. This ancient meal provided the bulk of the stellar mass in our outer regions. We are living inside the remnants of a cosmic carcass, built on the bones of a smaller sibling. The violence of that union shaped the spiral structure we see today. This event fundamentally altered the rotation and growth of our home. The feeding continues. The Sagittarius Dwarf spheroidal galaxy is currently being devoured. It passes through the Milky Way's disk every orbit, losing mass each time. Simultaneously, the Magellanic clouds are losing gas via the Magellanic Stream. This vast ribbon of hydrogen stretches across the southern sky, a direct result of gravitational stripping. Our galaxy is actively pulling material from these neighbors right now. They are not partners, they are prey caught in a gravitational trap that ensures their eventual dissolution. There is no escape from the Milky Way's gravity well once the process begins. Tidal tails wrap around the pole, marking the path of destruction. The mechanism behind this destruction is tidal force. Imagine the difference in gravity between the side of a galaxy facing us and the side facing away. This differential pull stretches the victim until it tears apart. Stars are stripped away into long streams, while gas is siphoned off to fuel new star formation in the predator. Data mapping transitions into simulations show this violent physics in action. It is a slow-motion crash, lasting billions of years, where structure is dismantled piece by piece. The victim becomes the victor, its identity erased within the larger mass. Computer models replicate this stripping to predict stream locations accurately. Eventually, the hunter becomes the hunted. In approximately 4.5 billion years, the Andromeda galaxy will collide with us. Andromeda is larger than the Milky Way, making this a merger of equals that will result in a new elliptical galaxy. The sky will burn with new star formation as gas clouds compress. While individual stars rarely hit, The gravitational chaos will rewrite our solar system's orbit. We are forecasted to be consumed in this massive merger. The Milky Way as we know it will cease to exist. This final act confirms that no galaxy remains an island forever. Milkomeda is the proposed name for the resulting elliptical giant. From ancient mergers to future collisions, the life cycle of a galaxy is defined by consumption. We are not static observers, we are passengers on a cosmic scavenger. Understanding this violent history explains the origin of our stars and defines the fate of our neighborhood. If you want to witness the future of our cosmos, subscribe for more deep space forensic files. Comment below which galactic merger you want us to dissect next. Join us as we map the darkness. Hit the notification bell. The universe is not peaceful, it is survival of the largest.